Hello, our viewers. Today we have the director and the lead actors of the film Rab Ki Awaaz, which portrays the challenges of the people with disabilities, where everyone is busy in their mobiles and for the views, where the enterprises focus on views rather than the social good. So, we are very honored to have you with us, sir. First of all, I would like to introduce you to Mr. Ojasvi Sharma, who is the producer of the film and the lead actor of the film, without whom the movie would be without any structure, Mr. Abhinav Sharma, and the best friend of our lead actor, Mr. Narang.
I want to ask the first question to the director of the film. So, what inspired you to make this film?
So, a lot happening around in the society inspired me to make this film. First, we were talking about equality, we were learning about equality, we were reading about equality. Our new education policy wants to talk about inclusivity, but implementation in cinema was not happening correctly. What all the viewers of movies watch in cinema, watch in movies, so they learn a lot through it. If we bring the actual representation in films, so that will only empower, that will be very confidence boosting to a lot of people who are actually confining or relating with any form of disability or who are actually suffering through disability. Secondly, we were not able to bring in the mindset of people who are actually willing to accept that even a person who seemingly behaves normal or seems normal can also have issues of mental health, can also have self doubt, and can, in extreme forms, lead to depression, where you are not able to understand ki why certain things are happening with me, why I'm not feeling happy despite of having everything with me. Like, I have one of the best jobs of being an RJ, and everybody knows me as RJ Karan, and then suddenly I am not happy with myself. And then why I'm not happy with myself is because despite being in the right job, I still am not able to do जो मेरा मन चाहता है, right? So and there's a lot happening, and then we explain people why people are not able to do a lot, because maybe their bosses don't allow, maybe their work doesn't allow them to be so free. So there were a lot of issues that were really, I mean, cut off like tinkling me कि मुझे आके टच करी जा रहे थे बार बार कि मीडिया कितना राइट कॉजेज़ को आगे लाने के मतलब काम कर रहा है. तो वो हमने इन सारी चीज़ों को बांधा और एक फिल्म में डाला. एंड देन वी वांटेड not only to show that people with disability can have a lot of merit to them, everybody has merit to them. We just need to see everybody through an equal lens.
That was really an insightful answer, sir.
This is a question to both the actors present here. So, how did you feel when you first read the script or got to know about the movie?
It was very intimidating for me personally because my co-star Varun here is a very experienced actor. I am not. This is my first film. And Ojasvi, when he told me about this story, when he told me, like before this I had worked in radio, I'd never been in front of a camera willingly. So he presented it to me as a challenge. And since someone, an esteemed director like him, somebody who's won a National Film Award, who's the recipient of the Rajat Kamal from the President of India, when he came to me and he put that faith in me, it made me believe in myself. It made me feel confident that yes, this is a challenge that I would be willing to take on, because he made me feel safe on set. He encouraged me to learn, and of course, through this film, I also got to learn so much more about the world that we live in. So that was something that I'm going to keep with myself throughout my entire life. And of course, then I get to meet such a talented crew who put this entire film together. And of course, I had such brilliant co-stars like Mr. Varun Narang here, and of course, so many other people, Shiv Bhai, and I got to learn from them also. So it was a little intimidating at first, but now I'm just thankful that I went through with this experience. And of course, all the love that we've been receiving is only adding to it.
First of all, I would like to thank Abhinav for this gesture. मेरे को नहीं पता था कि मैं इतना बड़ा एक्टर हूँ. So nice of you. दूसरा ये है कि for me the trust is the first thing for accepting any script. So the trust is the foremost thing which I look after. तो ओजस्वी जो सर हैं यहाँ पर बैठे हुए, he's a brilliant director, and I know him from last 7-8 years now, and I have done around 6-7 projects with him. तो मेरे लिए तो यही था कि if I have received a call from Ojasvi, that means the movie will make a big numbers or something like. So मेरे लिए इतना ही था कि I have to accept this because he's my friend. And the second thing is the script was really nice, and I had read that script also. And during the shoot, what I found was the brilliant co-stars like Abhinav and Shiv. Uh, though Abhinav is acting in this film for the first time, but I don't think he's a newcomer to this industry. But yeah, he's a brilliant actor. And Shiv, you have seen that movie, right? Seen the movie Shiv also. So Shiv is a exceptional work. You see, he's a person with a disability, but he has done so much to this film, right? He has his own dialogues and all, like, and even talented actors can't do this thing, right? So you have seen all the stuff. Yes. So this is it, like scripting and choosing is the a part of our work. Yeah.
So I would like to tell you, you are already known with it, but again, it is a true masterpiece. So behind a movie, there are two things. First of all, reaching to audience, and secondly, how you make the movie. So the making part is very good. Sir, and I really found it very intriguing and interesting, like how you are targeting the schools, the future of India, for reaching out. So, sir, what would you like to say about it?
I think more than me saying anything about it, you have done it better than me. You have understood the intent, you have understood what the film is here to tell, and what it's intending towards. I think we are intending towards an audience of all age groups, and schools we are touching during the daytime, during the school hours. In the evening hours, we have more screenings which are happening to people who don't go to schools. We are also touching NGOs, we are also touching institutions that are teaching the underprivileged children. Basically, what happened over the years is that collectively children have stopped watching cinema together. So everybody watches films at homes, and with their parents, or in their drawing room, or in their bedroom, or on their phones, or on their laptops, or anyway. So only 1, 2, 3 or 4 people are watching the film together. But it is you tell me, how was the experience watching the film with 500 of you inside the hall? How did you feel like?
So sir, first of all, it was a very unique experience कि ऐसा कभी मतलब हमारे साथ, मेरे साथ तो ऐसे कभी नहीं हुआ कि कोई मूवी ऐसे टारगेट करे जाए स्पेसिफिकली स्कूल्स के अंदर. सर, और वैसे मेरे को बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगा कि आप ऐसे कर रहे हैं सर, और मेरे को लगता है कि गुड डीड भी है सर. जैसे आपने आरजे शो के अंदर दिखाया था कि कैसे जो आरजे चैनल्स हैं वो ज़्यादातर व्यूज़ पे फोकस कर रहे हैं, ना कि सोशल गुड पे सर. तो ये मेरे को लगता है सब सिस्टम कह सकते हैं इसको, कि आपकी मूवी भी ऐसी है और आपके अंदर जो सब अंदर बना हुआ है इसके वो भी ऐसी ही है. तो मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा.
So you got the point right.
You got the point right. So आप बताओ कि शो किस तरीके का मीनिंगफुल होना चाहिए कि नहीं होना चाहिए.
अभी रिसेंटली हम देखें बॉलीवुड की कंडीशन सर, तो उसके अंदर ज़्यादातर मूवीज़ होती हैं एंटरटेनमेंट पे फोकस होती हैं सर, जैसे आपने दिखाया था सर. और सोशल गुड के लिए बहुत कम मूवीज़ बनती हैं, और उनमें से बहुत कम मास्टरपीसेस होती हैं सर. तो इसलिए मेरे को लगता है कि आपकी मूवी में से एक है सर. और सेकेंडली सर, आपके अभी हम रिसर्च कर रहे थे आपके बारे में थोड़ी सी, जब हमने बात करी थी आपसे सर, तो उसके अंदर में बॉस को पता चला कि कौन से अवार्ड्स इस मूवी को मिले. आपने मेंशन कर दिए थे ऑडिटोरियम में सर. तो मुझे वैसे पर्सनली बहुत अच्छा लगा कि मूवी को इतनी प्रोग्रेस हो रही है सर, और मैं चाहता हूँ कि और भी प्रोग्रेस होती है.
Thank you.
As we know that a good film requires good homework. So sir, आपने जो resources है इस मूवी को बनाने के लिए information कहाँ से gather की?
So information gathering happened through the environment. I traveled everywhere. I visited radio stations. My research on the film has started from 2018. So while I was already working on my last film, which won the national award, Admitted, so I was visiting radio stations, and that is where I met Abhinav, who plays RJ Karan in the film. So Abhinav is also there in the last film, Admitted. Once I saw him, once I saw the whole radio system, then after that I visited more radio stations, and I understood the life of an RJ. The more happier, the more jovial it looks from the outside. Internally, there are a lot of underlining issues that we have actually brought forth, right? कि कोई अपनी मन की बात क्यों नहीं कर पा रहा. You look at the contestants coming on the show. I mean, their answers were reflecting their mindset. If you ask the definition of success to someone, everybody will have a different definition, but that definition would not be a winner definition perhaps, है ना. My homework with Shiv was also happening because I not only was looking at issues of the radio, I was looking at when people see in the digital era radio is dying, TV is dying, theater is dying because OTT is coming, because YouTube is coming, because podcasts are happening, because interviews are happening. So we still thought that will radio actually die? And who is it relevant for? I think radio is relevant in places where there is no 4G, 3G, 2G signal till date. Radio is going through waves. And for people who cannot see, for them a video is of no use, because how can a person who cannot see will actually relate to how you look, or what color dress you are wearing, or they will focus on the content, they will focus on what you are speaking. So a radio for me was more valid to fit the block for a person who could not see, and for a person who could see but who had lost the vision in life, who was finding it hard to actually make his vision clear in life. So my homework of the society, of the social media, it was all happening. And then I started writing the film in 2018. So my first draft was ready in 2018, but the pandemic hit after that. And then we found it more challenging that everybody sitting at home, radio was still running from home. So the film lived up to it, everybody stood up, and we did add pandemic challenges in the film as well. And then everybody, and social media, and then suddenly OTT, everything just boomed after the pandemic. Everybody started watching films online.
Yes, sir.
Because theaters were closed and everything was closed, so people got habitual to online. So online views also grew, online likes also grew.
Sir, so according to you, on the set, who was the most funniest?
Okay, so first and foremost, Shiv. He's one of the funniest people I have ever met. And of course, like, there is so much talent in the film. You meet RJ Jaggi, you meet Harvinder Singh Shanty. They are so jovial in nature. But even some of the other characters who may not appear very funny, like even Mohit sir is actually a very funny individual. And all in all, the entire experience of the shoot itself was so much fun for everybody. Every scene we worked on was just like the moment we would say cut, we would all erupt into laughter, no matter how serious the scene was. Even you see Mukesh, the actor Snehal who plays the role of Mukesh in the film, he's also a very funny individual. So everybody, like every shot you see in the film, it may be serious, it may be fun itself, but once Ojasvi said cut, we were all smiles all over the place.
Matlab, to that point, if I say ki when the fight scene was happening, right? So when he punched Mukesh, so Mukesh walked up to me after 3 punches and he said, sir, एक और बस, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं. मैं क्योंकि पंच खाना मेरे लिए प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, गिरना बार बार मेरे लिए प्रॉब्लम है. मुझे पता नहीं कि मैं सेम जगह जाके गिरूंगा कि नहीं.
So can you tell any one incident during the film which you think was the funniest of them all?
मेरे लिए जो सबसे फनीस्ट सीन था वो ये था कि जब मैं आरजे इसके करण के साथ था उस रूम में, और हम एक ही रूम में जब ये वहाँ से चल कर आते हैं शुरू मॉर्निंग में, तो मेरे से पूछते हैं कि क्या कर रहे हो आप. तो मैं उनको बताता हूँ कि ये आईटी है, सब कुछ जानते हैं और सब देख सकते हैं. तो मेरे को लगता है कि दैट वाज द फन पार्ट, कि मुझे पता था कि मैं सब कुछ देख सकता हूँ. और जब इनकी फाइट हो रही है, आपने मूवी में देखा होगा, तो आई वाज एंजॉइंग दैट मोमेंट, राइट, कि मैं एकदम, मेरे को बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है कि ये फाइट कर रहे हैं, बट मैं एज अ बीइंग आईटी प्रोफेशनल मैं देख रहा हूँ कि ये कैसे लड़ रहे हैं, राइट. तो मुझे उसमें बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है मूवी में. तो मेरे लिए वो बहुत फनीस्ट पार्ट था.
So the movie connects with true life.
Yes, it connects with true life. Yeah.
Sir, so I would like to ask you a question, sir. Every idea is based on a first instinct, a click which gets to us. So what was your click when you decided to make this film, the idea of this film?
The moment I walked into the radio station, the moment I walked into a room like this, that clicked me कि ये सब काला है, ये सब हरा है, और इसके बाहर सारी दुनिया है. यहाँ एक कमरे से बैठ के आप लाखों करोड़ों लोगों तक कैसे पहुँचते हो. दैट वॉज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग फॉर मी. जब मैंने ये डिसाइड कर लिया कि इस टॉपिक पे बनाऊँगा, फिर मेरा ध्यान शुरू हुआ कि मैं कोर इशू क्या रेज करूँगा उसके थ्रू. क्योंकि विद एनी पब्लिक ब्रॉडकास्टिंग सर्विस, विद एनी सोशल मीडिया सर्विस, नाउ आई थिंक अ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंगल मस्ट कम इन टू प्ले, कि हम उस टूल को यूज़ कैसे कर रहे हैं. इट्स लाइक नाइफ, या तो सब्ज़ी काट सकते हो या चोट पहुंचा सकते हो, तो हमने सब्ज़ी काटना बेहतर समझा।
सर आपकी फिल्म ने सर बहुत सब्जियां काटी सर, क्योंकि उसके ने बहुत सारे मैसेजेस थे सर, तो बहुत अच्छा लगा.
थैंक यू सो मच।
So we are privileged to have you.
Thank you so much. This was a wonderful interview. Yes, special applause for both of you.
We want to tell the audience watching this show that this is one of the best interviews, and we are actually honored to be giving this interview to one of the youngest interviews ever who have actually interviewed us live for a radio or a television program. And sir has given so many interviews. Sir, what has your experience been of this interview?
One of the best, Rudra and Vihan. You are doing your greatest work, and may God bless you, and you continue doing the great work. Okay, and you continue interviewing people like us. Okay, and God bless you.
And one with the Ajay style now.
So मैं एक लाइन चोरी करना चाहूँगा. As someone who has done a lot of interviews to someone who's doing brilliantly. जियो मेरे मुन्ना.
सर आई हैड वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन. आई वाज थिंकिंग सर, जैसे कि मूवी में एक सीन था जिसमें कबूतर जो है वो उड़ रहे हैं, तो सर मेरे को पूछना था कि वो जो सीन है वो कहीं से उठाते हो या खुद शॉट करते हो? तो सर कबूतर मान जाते हैं?
नहीं, कबूतर नहीं मानते. जब बारिश हो रही थी तब कैमरा लगा करके आपको बैठना पड़ता है. मतलब द वेटिंग टाइम इज़ वेरी हाई. मतलब उस शॉट को अचीव करने में हमें लगभग 2 घंटे लग गए थे. तो जिस बिल्डिंग की छत पे थे, तो जब करण सीढ़ी से नीचे भागता है, मतलब जब कप फेंक के जब दोस्त कहता है ना, अरे तेरे लिए कॉलर का फ़ोन आया था, जब वो भागता है तो बेसिकली वो एक कबूतर वही उड़ता है. तो इट्स अ मेटाफर कि अब उड़ान भरने वाले हैं इस फिल्म में. तो वो रियल शॉट्स हैं. इस फिल्म में सारे सीन हमने रियल शूट किए हैं.
सर बट डिड यू पे द पिजन?
नहीं, pigeons don't pay because pigeons don't earn any salary, they don't pay taxes. So where will they spend the money?
Setting कर ली थी.
Sir,
Where will they spend money?
Sir, I have a suspicion that pigeons are not real; they're aliens because they're every yes, sir, because they're every time on somebody's window and they spy on us.
हाँ, सो वो आई थिंक बर्ड की एक नेचर है. बट उसी के लिए देर इज़ अ लाइन इन द फिल्म दैट सेज नो एनिमल्स वर हार्म ड्यूरिंग द मेकिंग ऑफ द फिल्म. सो नेचुरली वी डिडंट इवन थ्रो अ पेबल कि दीवार पे कोई पत्थर या टिक या कोई साउंड भी नहीं हमने क्रिएट किया. हमने जैसे ही ऑफिस की छत पे पिजन्स बारिश में कोने में बैठे हमने स्पॉट कर लिए थे. सो इनिशियली दैट सीन वॉज नेवर रिटन, बट व्हेन वी हैड स्पॉटेड पिजन्स, सो आई सेंट अ कैमरा ऑन द ऑपोजिट छत ऑफ द ऑफिस एंड आई सेड कि कैमरा लगा करके रखो, ये जब कबूतर उड़ेंगे वहीं पर कट कर लेना. तो दैट शॉट वॉज अचीव्ड लाइक दैट.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
So that was it for today's interview. We students from the Shamrock Media School zooming out until our next video. Thank you.